Hi guys, welcome to Better on the Road. My name is Jessica and I'm here to show you my van.
I'm Nate Murphy and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
Better on the Road is a 2019 Ford Transit. I like to take it camping on my spare time, but for the most part, then I rent it out to any locals or anyone visiting in San Diego. One of the reasons why I even created Better on the Road is because I fell in love with camping 2020, and that jump-started the reason to starting Better on the Road and making it easier for everyday people to get on the road and go camping, and you don't have to worry about having all the camping gear. You just pack your bag, you get in, you get some food, and it has everything that you need. Starting in the doorway, we have a little side panel, and it just creates a better area for cooking. Alright guys, so now we're gonna get to the other side of the doorway. I have this beautiful fridge and freezer. It goes off 120 volts and it has enough storage for about a week worth of food. And I got it from Home Depot. It is so beautiful. I didn't want to just do a regular fridge. I had to get a little extra and have that little flavor in here. And on this drawer, we have our utensils. We have a few flashlights, and I have a little card-friendly note for just friendly reminders, like not to pee in the shower. And over here we have some spices that I always keep, and in here we have pots, pans, and anything that you need for cooking. So basically everything that you need to make a meal is already supplied in the van. And we also have the induction stovetop. It's really easy. I didn't want to do an open flame. I just wanted to keep it more safe. We also have a little oven up here. It's amazing to bake cookies or warm up your food. And over here I keep cups, a French press, some bowls, and some plates. Here we have some charging ports. And we also have all of the lights, and I also have a gray water tank at the bottom. And to empty it, you just hover over a local site that allows you to dump, and you just press the water dump and it'll just all come out. Welcome to the shower. I have a full-size shower, and it has like a little detachable shower head. I like to keep eucalyptus in here. It smells really amazing. And a little thing to put your shampoo and conditioner. I also have 20 gallons of water. It was very important to me to have a shower. I love to shower when I'm camping, and that was one big reason why I did Better on the Road, is because I was going camping with my family and it took me 3 days to get close to a shower. So that's very important. And it does have hot and cold. Next to the shower is the sink, and it has a little drying rack. And this is cutting board, so you just put it right on top and it allows you to cut your veggies. And we also have hot water available. You just turn on the water heater that's right underneath. Alright guys, welcome to the lounge area. I wanted to keep it like a very open space because I wanted to be able to sit with multiple people. I think I've had like 6 people sitting all here all together. It also turns into a bed, and I really thought it was important to make sure that I can make it interchangeable so that if I wanted to sit and do some work, I don't have to just be limited to just a bed only. Under the bench right here we have the electrical, and the batteries contain 250 amp hours, and the solar on top of the van is 300 watts. Under here I have fresh sheets. And over here we have extra storage. There's also a hammock and chairs and everything that you want for camping. On this side we have a 20-gallon water tank. And it was really important for me to have windows on both sides so we can have a breeze wherever we park. And we also have a fan on the top right here and another fan right over there. And we have this adjustable tabletop. It goes in and it goes completely out on the lagoon mount. And these riches allow you to bring the tabletop all the way down and it turns into a bed. Welcome to bed mode. It is about a queen size bed and the cushions are all custom made, so there's no moving. It stays nice and fit just like a mattress. That was really important, that when you're laying down that you're not falling in between the cracks. That's not going to happen. Yeah, we either lay this way or this way. It doesn't really matter depending where you're at and where we want to see the view when the doors are open. Alright guys, so now we're at the back of the van and we have an outdoor shower. It's very convenient if you get extra dirty and you don't want to bring any dirt inside. It comes out all the way for those times when you want to just do an outdoor shower. And it also has hot and cold as well. In this last cabinet we have one of my favorite drawers. I keep fresh little books on hand so when you're out camping you can read. I also have this wonderful little journal that I keep for all of my experiencers to write a little message. One of them says, overall the van was very cozy and comfortable for the two of us. It really lived up to our expectations. This is one of my favorite things. Thank you guys for taking time to join me in my van showing. I am located in San Diego and I am always available. Message me. I'm at Better on the Road or betterontheroad.com. Thank you so much.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, coming out soon, we have a course. The course releases in December, and if you sign up now, you get early access and a discount. The course is really in depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.